Hey, it's Dr. Karen, and I just wanted to show you the step-by-step on how to become a preferred customer or customer with LifeWave. First, you want the link to the LifeWave site. Now, you will get this link from your distributor. I'm just going to show you mine just for ease because I know mine and memorized it, but please use the link from your distributor so it gets credited to the right person. You will see at the top here where I'm circling with my mouse that the name or the company name of the person that you will become a customer of should be there. You will put in your country. So I'm just going to go and put in United States here for me and click submit. So now what you want to do is put in the product that you want in the cart. Now, obviously it's X39. You can do that by clicking the big orange button here, and that's what will happen when you go there. Let's go back for a second here. The other way you can do it if you want other products in addition to or instead of the X39, you would go to products and then you could go to all products here or patches or whatever. Sometimes there's promotions going on, and the system will actually tell you if there's a promotion, which is really nice. So in this case, I'm just going to give you an example. We're going to go ahead and put X39 in the cart. Now, as you can see, the retail price is $149.95. Now, right now, you can actually see that. But you say to me, Dr. Karen, I want to be a preferred customer, which means I get it auto shipped to me personally every month and I get wholesale prices. Well, this is what happens. What you first want to do is just add it to the cart, and then this new system will pop up and it'll ask you, do you want to be a preferred customer? It is a one-time fee of $19.95 to join as a preferred customer, just one time. And then you'll actually save $50 on the X39. So instead of $149.95, it's just $99.95. And then you get all these benefits. So let's go through each of these. First of all, you get wholesale pricing, so you get the same sort of pricing that distributors get. You actually get free samples as a customer every month for the first 6 months that you stay a preferred customer. That means it's automatically shipped to you every month, whatever your order is, and you'll get free samples of the other patches or patches for the next 6 months, which is a retail value of over $360. Also, you'll get the loyalty rewards. This is probably the most popular part of this preferred customer program. You get 20% back in rewards depending on the subscription. So for example, if you buy something $99.95, you'll get like $19 back the next month, and it'll you can make it go towards your next month's auto ship, and you can make that set up automatically, or you can accumulate them to buy product in the future. The other thing too is if you want to, there's some introductory kits that might have the patches that you want in it, and I would highly recommend you check those out because you may notice, oh my gosh, I want Eon, I want X39, I want glutathione for detox. So if that's the case, this is a one-time offer. So you will not see these intro kits again, but you can save up to 20% off the wholesale pricing for these kits. And then you can delay your auto ship for your regular monthly shipment after that. The other thing too is you can earn $100 per month in free product when you share LifeWave with other people who then become customers. You will receive a customer ID number or a referrer number. Can you say that 3 times fast? Referrer. Anyway, so it's a referrer number. And when you get $300 or more per month, in or 3 customers with $300 or more a month, my understanding is you will earn $100 credit and towards your products each month, which is pretty darn cool. So most people will opt for this. The retail price, you can always do a one-time, and become a preferred customer later. If you love the product, it's completely up to you. But for now, we're going to show you how to sign up for that. So when you put that in the cart, all of a sudden, you'll see a different pricing here. Now, let's take a look at your cart. Now, we've already added to cart, right? And you've chosen the preferred customer. So when you look at the chart, you'll see the one-time preferred customer sign-up fee, $19.95, and then you'll see the wholesale price for these patches, for the X39. All right, so now let's do a little bit more training. Let's go back to all products. And say you're like, oh, wait, let me look at these kits here. Okay, so let's look at the bronze. Now remember, this is an introductory kit, so it's one time and it's gone. You can't get these later. So normally X39 is $99.95. Eon would be $79.95. Same thing with glutathione. So you do get a savings on there if you get all three. And remember, you just get this once. You can't have this multiple times. The other thing is you can take a look at the silver. So you get more product and it's even a deeper discount. So you get two X39s. That alone is wholesale $200, right? And then you get two Eon. So the wholesale price for two at the same time is $59.95. So it's like $60. So that's $120 right here. And glutathione, actually these Eon and glutathione, if you bought three of any of the other types of patches, aside from X39, you can get it as low as $49.95. So this would be like $200 plus $150. So that you sure it's 300, what is that? $350, right? Yeah, so you have quite a savings here. And then as is normal, the higher up you go, the more savings you get. So in the gold introductory kit, you would have three X39s. So that would be worth $300 wholesale. And then two Eon and glutathione and LifeWave, each of them being about $50. So that'd be so $200. So that'd be what did I say? 300 plus 200. That'd be $500. Okay, and here you get it for $399, so $100 off. So that is your, if you're like, hey, gosh, I really want X39, but I'd love Eon because Dr. Karen, for example, myself, talks a lot about Eon and brain balancing and stress and inflammation relief. This might be handy to have. You may want to get this kit. Glutathione is great for immune system support as well as antioxidant support and detoxification. And then the LifeWave, well, hey, you never know. You might stub your toe the next day, even if you don't have pain. So this is really great to have on hand instead of taking potentially toxic medications. So having LifeWave on hand for those, severe pains or acute pains can be really helpful. So that's my little plug for getting an introductory kit. But say you decide, okay, I don't want to get a kit, but I want to get another product. So let's go to Eon, one of my favorites. So you can see the wholesale price is $69.95. You've already clicked that you want to be preferred customer, so they're going to only show you the wholesale price because the retail price is $79.95. And here's where I want you to take a look. You get quantity discounts. So this is what I pay, okay? So if I buy one of these as a distributor, it's $69.95. If I buy two of the patches, it's $59.95 each. If I buy three or more, it's $49.95 each. Now, say you just want one Eon, okay? So let's add one Eon to there. Now let's take a look at the cart here, okay? So you'll actually see that there is an Eon for $69.95, $99.95 for the X39, and then you got your $19.95, right? Okay, so I want you to memorize this because I want to show you a little trick here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to patches in this case, and say I decide, okay, well, I could really use energy enhancer patches because they're so versatile. I can use them on any acupuncture point, and yeah, I'm going to try that. So I'm going to add one of these. Okay, now see how it says $69.95? Well, guess what? When you go to your cart, it sees that you already have an Eon. So instead of $69.95, now it's down to $59.95 each, okay? All right, so say you go, oh, well, I definitely want some LifeWave. So let's go ahead and we want LifeWave, for pain. And say you get an LifeWave, so we'll add to cart here. Oops, I added to the monthly subscription. All right, that's all right. We can add to cart. Show you how that works. So we're going to go and view cart. Okay, so you'll actually see it goes down to $49.95. So you've got one LifeWave, one energy, and one Eon right there. And then what you've set up here is a monthly shipment. So what we want to do is to get rid of this one because that was a boo-boo. All right, so here we are. We have these patches. Okay, notice that I picked different ones from the introductory kit because, you might as well get an introductory kit, right? If you're getting those patches. But say you don't want glutathione and you want energy instead. So I put it in here. So this is the lowest wholesale price for preferred customers. So then you go to checkout. So what happens next is you click this button, which says create an account. Okay, now it doesn't matter. Here it says, become a customer or distributor. What you want is this blue button says create an account if you're brand new. And then you're going to fill in the information on here. Okay, and I'll show you the next screen after we fill it out. So what you want to do is you want to put your refer ID. For example, if you're referred by a customer, you would put their customer number here. But if you're referred by a distributor, then you don't have to, you can just leave this blank. Okay. Um, so, um, if you referred by customer, then the distributor and the customer both get kind of, benefit or credit for your purchase. All right. So, your first name, last name, um, the reason for your putting your birth date in is you can get free product on your birthday, woohoo, which is awesome. You'll put your username, your email. This is an old email of mine, so don't email me here because it won't work. Your phone number, and depending on your country, of course. And then I would click yes here because they will have like at least one promotion every couple of months, sometimes every 6 weeks. So you do want to know about that. And the cool thing is if you buy the promotion and you go, well, gee, I don't want my auto ship you can delay that. Although the benefits of your auto ship only kick in. Remember the preferred customer benefits we talked about? Those only kick in if you do auto ship monthly. Monthly. Okay, so if you do get a promotion, ideally you still want to auto ship monthly for you, so you can get the free and three program and the free product program and the loyalty points, etc., etc. So your password, you have to follow what's in here, and just ignore that. If you want to be a customer, just ignore this, please, and then you're going to click this and go to submit registration. So after you submit registration, you will put in an address. And just keep in mind, there's going to be lots of requests for your address because they want to make sure what's your shipping address, what's your billing address, what's the shipping address for your auto ship, etc. So go ahead and fill this part out. Now in the next screen, you'll be asked to configure your auto ship order. So unless you're doing a promotion or something like that and you want to delay your auto ship for a month, you can start it a month after this particular purchase. So for example, if today is, Monday, then, 4 weeks would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be 4. Right? And then here's where you can apply your loyalty points to get that however many points off. So it would be 20% of whatever is in your auto ship basket. And then you click continue. And then you'll pick what kind of shipping that you want. Okay. And you'll notice that, today's order, you will have your $19.95, and then your auto ship will be starting on the 21st. Now, in this case, because we don't have a promotion, then what you want to do, and we see that today we only get the $19.95, so we're going to go ahead and edit this, and we'll say starting Wednesday. Okay, so we'll go here. And then in this case, you'll see today's order here, and this monthly auto ship will start on the 25th. You'll put in your information, and after you put in your information, it'll check your shipping and billing, and then you will have two, you'll have, the $19.95, and you will have your whole monthly shipment. And just know that when you check out and pay and everything like that, you'll get your own customer ID number. And then when you get your customer ID number, you'll actually have your own login as well. So you can log into your own account and then you can change. You can change the patches that you receive every month on auto ship. You can, get promotions when the promotions are available if you're on the mailing list, etc. So basically, that's how you become a preferred customer. And if you have any questions on this process, please get back to the distributor that had referred you to this video. Take care and have a wonderful day.